Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you skin whitening, remove wrinkles and fine lines naturally with very simple ingredients. This remedy is working 100%. It removes the wrinkles and the fine lines and will get you rid of sagging skin with very simple ingredients at home. Just few simple ingredients and you will get an amazing results in removing wrinkles and fine lines and skin whitening. It whitens the skin tone, it removes hyperpigmentation, dark spots, black spots, and will get you an amazing results. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder. So we need to add 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of rose water. Add 1 teaspoon. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Then we need to add around a half teaspoon of Vaseline or petroleum jelly. Like so. Now mix well all the ingredients. After we mixed and combined all the ingredients together like so, our magical remedy is ready, and you need to apply it on a clean skin that has no makeup or dust. Apply generous amount like so. Apply it on your face, on hands, on feet, on any place that you want to get rid of wrinkles and you want to get skin whitening properties. Apply it like so and leave it to dry out completely. Then rinse it with warm water followed by cold water to close the pores. And my friends, the result will amaze you. It is super effective, super helpful, and it's a must-try remedy.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.